$8,817.62 in affiliate commissions, most of which came from this YouTube channel, Publisher Report, creating simple videos, some of them with not even showing my face on the screen, to simply show how to do something or show how the product works, that I made $8,817.62 as an affiliate, promoting these products and or trainings that helped accomplish what it is I'm showing over at Publisher Report, which is in the self-publishing niche, but it really doesn't matter. You could do this with just about anything, and I want to give you a real example. How to create an awesome presentation. Check out these videos on how to create an awesome presentation, and you can see here some examples. Keynote, PowerPoint. Now all this requires is you need some way to record your screen. I use Camtasia, and you can see the price here. It's about $300. This is an application you download to your Windows computer or your Mac, and you use it locally. There are other options. In this case, Screencast-O-Matic is a little bit cheaper. It's also cloud-based. Now, it's cloud-based, meaning you have to be connected to the internet. And when I first started on YouTube, I did a lot of my videos when I wasn't connected to the internet. So I needed an app that ran without the connection to the internet. But this works, or Screencast-O-Matic works very simply. And again, like I said, it's cheaper. There's a link in the description for everything I cover in this video. You simply come here, and if you want to take a screenshot, you install the Recorder app. If you want to start a video, you simply download and run the app. It's effectively the same thing as a Chrome extension. It's very easy to use, and it's very easy to start or get started. And they have resources, or under resources, they have a plethora of tutorials or how-tos to get you started. There's really no excuse for you, even as a beginner. You can download this or access this through your web browser, download this small application to run on your computer as you're connected to the internet, go through these trainings, and simply record your screen. In this case, creating or talking about how to create an awesome presentation in Keynote or PowerPoint. Of course, if you do it in PowerPoint, Microsoft 365 for Business has an affiliate program where you can earn a commission. There's also another platform out there that probably gives you bigger or a wider variety of things to talk about, which would be Canva. Earn money with Canva Pro, or as an affiliate with Canva Pro. It is as simple as register as an affiliate, promote Canva Pro, and start earning money as an affiliate marketer, simply recording your screen, explaining how to do awesome presentations with Canva Pro. And of course, if you don't know how to do this, this is something that you could learn, and you can come here and see 20 Canva Pro features to promote as an affiliate, and they walk you through these features that you could then cover, record your screen, and talk about all these cool things like creating an awesome presentation that you can do with Canva Pro. Check this out, access to over 420,000 templates. As an affiliate marketer, I like to use what I call the top strategy. The top strategy simply stands for traffic. Traffic is the content that you'll be creating when you record your screen using either Camtasia or Screencast-O-Matic, and then you will be sending people over to an offer. This is your affiliate link. This is the offer that you're offering as the solution to the problem that you're identifying, such as you have a problem, you need to create an awesome presentation. Check out Canva Pro, link in the description. That's the offer. Inside of the top strategy, I then move to a more advanced topic or a phase inside of the top strategy, which is people, and that is taking the people that have looked at your offer and then creating a squeeze page or collecting leads and putting them on an email list. And you do that, or you add people to an email list by simply letting those people find your traffic or the content that you're creating on YouTube. Come over to the offer page, and then what you can do is you can turn this into a squeeze page, which I'm going to show you here in a second. And then they can click your affiliate link, and then of course you earn a commission. But then you have a secondary goal here, or an advanced strategy is to add those people to an email list. To do that, we take the example, get access now to 420,000 templates. You can click this button here. You could directly link this to your affiliate link, and have people go directly over to the offer at Canva, or you could add an email opt-in form here, and you could do that inside of Groove Pages. There's a link in the description for a free Groove account. Once you're inside of Groove Pages, you would just go inside of Groove Pages and Groove Funnels, and then you would create the site like the site that you see here that I've created for Canva Pro templates. And then instead of having a direct link here, you can see I just added a button. And in here, what I've done is I've added the link to Canva. This would be where you would place your affiliate link if you wanted to just send people directly over to your affiliate offer in the hopes of them clicking and buying. Or like I said, you could take this, you could come over to the elements, and this is part of the things that you need to learn, but are really quite simple when you get inside and you start using the tools and the technology that you need, and you only need a couple tools. In this case so far, all you need is a screen recorder. I've showed you the one that I chose, Camtasia. I showed you Screencast-O-Matic and how to get started with that. Now we are inside of Groove. There is a link in the description for a free account where you can come here and you could start with this template, and you would simply come down and then you would start building a form here by simply dragging and dropping the elements. Once you drag them and drop them, creating here what is called an input container or a form container. All this sounds really technical, but it is really very basic. I have a video here on the channel. I'll link it in the cards as well as in the description. You can see exactly how to do this. Some of the information or some of the layout on the screen inside of the tools may look different, but it is all there to create this form container and to integrate and link this to an email autoresponder like GetResponse, where you can start building email lists and use the advanced strategy inside of the top strategy of Traffic Offer People to start adding people to an email list and then follow up with them in the hopes that you could earn even more money, just like what you see here, $8,817.62, all utilizing what I call the top strategy, Traffic Offer People. And if you'd like to see this strategy in action and in great detail, where I show you exactly how I use this strategy inside of my own business to earn commissions as an affiliate marketer, check out the link in the description. There's a video over there on that page where I'll walk through this in detail, exactly the tools and the process and the strategy, the top strategy that I use to earn money as an affiliate marketer using YouTube. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.